What's up guys? In this video tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to find zeros or x-intercept on your calculator. Okay, so before we get started we have to graph a function in order to find x-intercept, right? So let's go to y equals and then type in our function. In this video tutorial I'll be using x squared plus 2x minus 8 graph. So once you type in your function, just hit graph, and if you wait here a little bit, you'll see the graph, right? Okay, so what's zero or x-intercept? Zero are when the graph hits the x-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal line here, and when the graph hits that point, we call that a zero or an x-intercept. So how can we find that point? Well, you can use quadratic formula uh, and find out what the zeros are, but we can use calculator to figure it out. And I'm pretty sure you guys are here to find out how to do it too, right? So all you have to do is hit second and hit trace. So once you hit second and hit trace, you'll be accessed into this calc tab here. And if you go in here, you'll see that there's a tab menu says calculate. And notice if you look at number 2, what does it say? 0, right? Because we want to find 0, we have to highlight that, right? So you can move around with your arrow key here and then just highlight the second one and hit enter. So once you hit enter, it's going to ask you for the left bound. And the left bound there is determining the left side of where you think the zero should be. So if you click your left key or left arrow on your calculator, you'll see that this little like a little dot thing is moving around on your screen, right? And I know that there's a zero about at this point, and notice my dot is on the left side, so I'm good. So move your dot to the left of where you think the zero is, and then just hit enter. And once you hit enter, it's going to ask you for the right bound. So which means I have to go to the right side beyond this 0 point here, and I think this is pretty good, right? So once you get to the right side, hit enter, and it's gonna ask you to guess. So just hit enter here, and once you hit enter, ta-da, that's it. -4 and 0. So there's a 0 at when x equals -4 and y equals 0. So same thing goes for the next 0 there. Just go to that 0 tab and then move your cursor to the left side of where you think the 0 is. And I think that's pretty much good. So I hit enter and I have to pick the right bound now. So I go to right side and that seems about right, right? So just hit enter. It's gonna say guess, yes. So just hit enter. And now what? They showed us another 0 at 2, 0. So yeah guys, that's how you find zeros or x-intercept on your calculator with this key called zeros. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave questions on the comment below. See you guys next time.